Welcome guys. So now we have a clear view why we should use Proxy Labs. So in this video we will learn how to setting up our environment to start working on each exercise. Okay, so for example this one, let's click on it. Okay, then we will click on Access Lab button. Okay, so for each lab, the idea is to intercept the communication and find a solution for the instructions. Okay, so we have to use a software called Burp. Okay, I'm using Kali Linux, and from the main menu we will search for Burp. Okay. The community editions is the version that is available for default. You don't need to buy the professional edition one. So, but if you wanna go for it, okay, it's totally up to you. So first, in this window, I will click on OK. Okay, all right. If there is an available update, it is totally up to you to install it. In my case, I will close the window. Okay, then I will click on Next and click on Start Burp. Okay, in the Community Edition version, we are not allowed to save the project, but it's totally okay. We can work in these conditions. Okay, so click on Start Burp. Okay, and it's all up and running. So let's go back to the browser. Okay, so the idea is to set up a proxy. Okay, specifically Burp Suite as a proxy. Okay, to intercept all the communication. Okay, great. So let's go to the right corner. Okay, click on this three button and go to settings. Okay, in the search settings bar, we may type proxy. Okay, so in the case of Google Chrome, it's use the proxy settings of the operating system. So I would like to suggest you to install an extension. Okay, let's open a new tab and we will type Foxy Proxy. Okay, Foxy Proxy Chrome, it is okay. Great, so let's click on this link, Foxy Proxy Standard. Great. And then we will click on this button, Add to Chrome. Awesome. Add extension. Let's close this window. And it is up and running. Okay. We'll close this tab as well as this one. Great. So let's click on this button. And we have Foxy Proxy Standard. Click on this icon. Okay, now we see Foxy Proxy. Okay, how to setting up our extension. Okay, let's click on the Fox icon. Okay, then go to Options. Okay, I will like a new proxy. Okay. What is the IP address? It will be 127.0.01 and the port is 8080. Okay, awesome. In the general tab, I will add a description, a name and a description. Burp Suite Proxy. Okay. This is an optional step, but I would like to recommend you to fill this info. Okay, finally we may add a color. Any color, it's okay, it's totally up to you. Okay, all right, that will work. Great, so let's click on save, and we are ready. Let's close this tab, and now for example, okay, so let's activate the proxy. Okay, I will click on the Foxy proxy icon, and let's click on use Burp suite proxy. Okay, now watch this. For example, click on home. Okay, and automatically the window from Burp suite is showing as a primary. Let's go to this tab, proxy, and all the information is intercepted by Burp. Let's click on forward. Okay, let's go to our browser. Okay, and now we see this annoying information. Okay, great. So let's click on advanced and then go to procedure. Okay, now as you can see, all the information is intercepted by Burp suite. Okay, let's click to forward. Okay, until nothing appears. Great. So you are ready to work with our web browser and Burp suite. Okay, so it is not necessary at least in the first exercises to activate the interceptor. So let's click on intercept is on. Now you can see it's off. Okay, let's click again on home. Okay, and again this annoying message. But if we are going to advance and then proceed, we can see the output without the use of the forward button. Great. So in the next video, we will learn how to get rid of this annoying output information. Okay, in order to go to the next step, a little bit closer to start working in our labs. So I'll see you in the next one.